All right, so I'm on my way into work today because I'm getting a weird noise coming from right over there, and I am seeing some drippage right now coming from the motor. And while I can install fairings, I can install handlebars, I can do anything electrical on the motorcycle, I can take the whole motorcycle apart. But when it comes down to working on the engine, I'm taking that to the professionals. So let's get up here to Speedway Harley Davidson. All right, so I'm gonna pull the bike up here behind Speedway. Is Scene here yet? Yep, I see Scene's car. I don't know if I should pull it in, but I'm gonna just park it right here. My baby girl. Got you in neutral. Got the oil leaking out this mother. Let me get the keys out. There we go. I haven't taken this CC Rider seat off yet since I put it on there. It's so comfortable, y'all. So Scene was actually working on another bike, so Sean's actually ripping my bike down right now. We're gonna hurry up and get back here and see what we can see and find out what the damage was on my Super Glide. They said it's pretty tough. There's V-Twin Revolution.
I had to pass it off.
He passed it off because he's lazy today.
Man, I'm at DEFCON 5.
Golly, he took all the gears off already. All right, it happens.
Hope my gun got not bad.
See how terrible it is. We lost a part, but I found it. It's okay, it's there.
Thanks, Curtis.
I jammed it in there pretty deep.
It jammed it in there.
Oh, it wasn't jammed in there?
No, it was rusted in there.
Rusted.
What?
Oh, is that motherfucker slipped?
That bitch is way in there.
What?
That's how much is inside that 50. That 50.
This is fucked.
What the hell? Thanks a lot.
Bearings probably.
I'm hearing that this is fucked. Some of them
You
are.
don't paint Elmo on this thing. Now's the perfect time.
No, it's not gonna get Elmo. It's beat up. It does not. The whole transmission doesn't
Shit,
have
that
to.
thing is drove up in there.
Now what's drove
What
up
you're fucking
in?
here, see this race right here?
Okay.
It shouldn't be inside of this. This piece right here, okay?
Uh huh.
There's a seal behind there and there's bearings behind that seal.
Those are supposed to be out.
This is supposed, there's supposed to be a gap right here where you can get the tool behind it and pull it off.
And there's no gap.
And there's no gap.
So that's where the noise is coming from.
Possibly. I'm gonna jack it up and find out. See how it's all, you can feel it. That line,
Yeah.
how rough it is.
Yeah.
That's
what the noise is?
That's a noise figure here.
Oh, so this is
Neutral.
spinning even in neutral.
Yeah, this thing spins in neutral. The primary is spinning.
Okay.
That's spinning the whole time. Not till you kick it in gear does it spin.
Got you.
It shifts the gears over, puts it in gear. So
Is that why all this was wet?
this is from that. There's a shifter shaft seal right there. And they always fucking
Oh.
don't sound too bad.
It was way louder than that.
Oh yeah, no, I was. See, they got a problem with that. The main bearing going bad in this transmission.
Oh.
I put 3 in my 2010.
So you think it's that? Is what the noise is?
No, that's what I was listening for.
Oh, to see if it was that.
It don't sound bad, like it'll.
Okay. Sean is about to cut something in here. And I can't physically watch that because that's going to feel like cutting on my. So he's going to call me when he's done. Right? You're going to call me when you're done cutting?
I'll wake you up when.
Wake me up when you're done cutting.
I'll wake you up when the party's over and your ass is sore.
My poor bike.
Yo.
Hey, Scene.
Yo.
Fuck Dinos. Oh, you fixed it already.
Yeah.
Oh, that's how it's supposed to be?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was way in there.
Cool, it's like, yeah, it was way up in there.
Because I couldn't even see the back.
You couldn't see the seal, no. They got a new seal in there. New race.
But that
Got the
one,
new bearing.
I was gonna say that one bearing is where the noise was coming from. The
Yeah, the
primary.
bearing race, yeah.
Okay. Look at
When
that.
it gets rough like that, like I see how that's so smooth. When it got that rough line
Oh, yeah.
there, it was,
Yeah.
it's like gravel, you know.
So that's what destroyed the bearing.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, the bearing goes on this.
Right.
Got you.
Yeah, it's inside this.
Ah. So that's what was making the noise. So my motorcycle will be able to run. Awesome. This is what he does most of the day. He's literally on goat porn websites right now.
I like chickens.
So Dream is all patched up. That is one thing I do not do. I do not like working on things on my motor. I've done it before. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of it. There's just too many things that could go wrong. So I feel like if you're going to have some engine work that needs done, just let the professionals do it. That way it's done right the first time. I've worked on a bike's motor before and had to go back in there multiple times. It's not a fun experience. I wish I could have been back there and filmed more of the process of what went wrong with the bike, but it was basically the bearing for the primary and then this little sleeve thing that goes into the shaft, and they said that that happens a lot on this generation Dyna, the 2006. So I'm happy it's fixed. She's running like a dream, and that's why her name Dream. I don't know what I would have done without my Dyna coming into riding season. While I do have 4 other bikes that I can sit my ass on, this is the one that I'm on the majority of the time, because this is what I ride to work most of the time when I'm riding in, because I got bags and I got some extra storage for the different things I need to carry when I'm coming in to work. And she's the most comfortable bike that I own at the current moment. Now I do whip out the Ducati and the Sportster quite frequently as well. I have not been pulling out the mini bike because it takes me a lot longer to get to where I need to go, being the fact that that bike can only do like 60 miles per hour if you're on a flat surface or going downhill. And with my weight, she's typically around 55 or so, because I added those knobbies on there, which basically reduced my my top speed on that bike, which I don't know why I even did that, because I don't even off-road it enough. I feel like I need to do a new video on some of the upgrades that's here on Dream, because I've added a lot more things to her since the last video I did, which was the reveal of her paint and everything. So I do have to work on that. That'll be coming here soon. And don't think I forgot about y'all. I do plan on reviewing the rest of the 2025 lineup. It's just been really busy lately and I haven't had time to get out on those bikes. We do have an event coming up here shortly, which I'll start telling y'all about as soon as we get all the key points dialed in, which is supposed to be like an influencer event that will have some of us YouTubers at it, and we'll get to go out for a ride together. So if any of y'all are in the area, definitely stay tuned for that. I love to get out and ride with some of y'all, even though I'm not a group ride type of person. I'm more of a solo ride type of person. I don't like to be out there on group rides and stuff like that. I don't know why. It's just not my thing. Broham. That was not the appropriate way to do that. Oh yeah, she's smooth, she's smooth. So the good thing is Dream is running like a dream now. I'm happy I'm back on the road, even though she was only under the knife for what, a couple hours, 3-4 hours maybe. But the guys at Speedway always take great care of you whenever you get your bike up in there. They try to get it back to you as soon as possible, and they do an amazing job. I've been to some shops where you get your stuff worked on and you got to keep bringing it back. It's very rare that you're going to have to bring something back to Speedway. They know what they're doing. They got plenty of master techs up there, and they gonna get you running right. So if you ever need work done on your motorcycle, you know where to come, where your boy the Ryda is at Speedway Harley Davidson. And yeah, I'm about to enjoy the rest of this ride. Crank up the Cardo. If you want to get yourself a Cardo, use my link down in the description below. But I'm about to crank these tunes up. I actually been jamming to them for a minute here. But make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, like this video, and there is plenty more videos coming, so you got to be subscribed. I'm still going to get out and ride all of the new Softails, all of the baggers, and get y'all those review videos coming, as well as something a little extra that you will be surprised about. I'll see you in the next one though. Deuces, lay y'all.